Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be talking about custom invoicing as a Notary Pro. With custom invoicing, you set your own prices and you control your billing. BlueNotary only charges small platform fees that cover KBA, biometrics, and ID validation costs. Now, when you're creating your session, this box makes the difference on whether your client is paying for the session up front or you, as the notary, will be paying for the session up front and invoicing the client afterwards. If you leave this box unclicked, your signer will enter their card information prior to the beginning of the session. After the session is complete, they will pay a $20 service fee and the platform fees that we're going to talk about. Now, if you do click this box to invoice the client on your own, the card you have on file will be charged once the session is complete, and you can choose how much to invoice your signer, so that you can make an informed decision on how to charge or invoice your clients. Let's see how the platform fees break down. So the first seal on a session is $5. So that covers the KBA, the ID check, and your video storage. After that, additional seals cost $0, so you can add as many as your session requires without worrying about extra charges. GNW sessions should have less than 5 stamps. Now, if you have more than one signer, each additional signer is $4. For authenticated witnesses, the fee is $4, and this means the client is bringing their own witness. And the $4 is for the ID verification of the witness. As a Notary Pro, you'll also see the closing by invitation option, and that fee is $25. And if your client needs a witness provided by BlueNotary, the witness as a service option is $10. That brings in a BlueNotary network witness directly for the session. So everything is designed to keep your costs low while giving you full control over how you price your services. And remember, make sure to check your state's guidelines for limits on how much you can charge for each online notarial act. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.